Are you having fun on our walk? Do we see a dog? Yeah, dog. And what about the train? Did we hear a train? Train. What do you see up there? Yeah. Such a fast walker. We're going to the park? Yeah, we're going to the park. Oh, careful. Can I get a smile? Can you smile for the camera? Patrick, over here, other side, right here. Smile. Cheese. Can you say cheese? Huh? What's up there?